Hello, my name is Nicholas Stanley, a technical support engineer with GoEngineer, and today I'm going to go over with you the most common cause of the SQLite database engine error. The most common cause of this error is when the technology database becomes unplugged from the technology database application. This can happen if you lose access to the network drive the TechDB.cwdb file is stored on, or if the file is deleted from the location. But there are instances where it can just become unplugged. When it happens, you will be unable to load CAMWorks into your SOLIDWORKS. The only way for us to fix this error is to launch the technology database application from outside of CAMWorks. To launch the tech database from outside of CAMWorks, we have two options. First is to go to the default location. Start by opening Windows File Explorer and either type the path or select through to C, Program Files, CAMWorks 2020, x64, TechDB app, TechDB-app.exe. The second way we can access it is through the Start menu. Scroll down until you find CAMWorks, expand the CAMWorks folder, and scroll down to find the technology database. Once you have done one of the two, launch the TechDB and click on the Settings tab. Here we will select Linked Database and Browse. The default location of the TechDB file, if you haven't changed it, will be C, CAMWorksData, CAMWorks 2020, x64, TechDB, TechDB.cwdb. If you have moved the file from the default location, browse to the new location of the file and select Open. You should see a green box informing you that the link was successful. This almost always fixes the error. If it does not fix the error, you may have an issue with permissions. In the case it's permissions, you will need to speak with your IT and get the permissions resolved. If that also fails, reach out to us here at GoEngineer Technical Support. I hope you found this video useful and have a wonderful rest of your day.